Okay guys, here is my smart energy meter. It's fully functional. You can see the readings on the meter. You can see the meter is displaying the loads that are on in the system. We have the lamp, fan, AC and the television. See the voltages, the frequency, the current it is consuming, and the power. Okay, see the loads. We have loads here that are displaying that are being connected to the meter. We can actually control these loads remotely by using a smartphone, by sending SMSs. Okay, so I will start by displaying the load control. Okay, let me switch on the AC. You can see we have a fan there which is representing our AC. Okay, I'll switch on the fan. Okay, I'll just put it on, and then I'll add my number. Let me add my meter number. Okay. Good evening, Father. Okay, I have sent an SMS. You see the fan will come on. You see remotely the fan has come on. Now this is an SMS notification telling me that the fan is on. You can see here. Here's an SMS notification telling me that the fan is on. That the AC is on. So you can still control this AC fan manually from this switch. That is, you can still control it manually and remotely. See, putting it off and on. Then for the lights, I'll also switch off the lights remotely. Here's a manual switch for controlling the lights. So let me switch off that light remotely. So we have we just go to commands that I've sent. Lights off. The reason why I use this mobile phone is because it's also good. It's good in network. Since I was to use my smartphone to do the video, that's why I use the smartphone. Okay, let me enter my meter number. Okay, I'm sending. I have sent. Okay, just observe the light will go off. Yeah, okay, just in a few seconds. Let me check. Okay, lights off. Can see the light has gone off. Now let's test from the switch. That's an SMS telling us that the lights are off. Light status, lights off. Okay, you see the switch here cannot more turn on the lights because the lights are totally disconnected from the system. So if you can still put it on manually by using the meter. So let's say we don't have a smartphone, we can use the meter and turn on the light. So let's do it from here. Just enter the settings and then you navigate to load control. You see the lights are off. I'll just turn it on from here. Sorry, that's the AC. Okay, I instead went and turned off the AC. So let me navigate to the lights. You can see the lights are off. Here's a switch. The light is not coming on, so I'll turn on the lights now. Okay, you see the lights are on, but the system delays a bit to update the status. But you can see that the light is on now. You can easily manipulate from here, and you see that the AC is off right now. See, if you turn on the AC, will not come on because I've already switched off the AC from the system. So now let me go and switch back on the AC. You see, the AC status shows that it is off. Notification from the meter. Let me turn on the AC. You see, just directly from the meter. You can do it manually and remotely. So you see the status. Here's for the AC, telling us that the AC is on. So this one here is the fridge. The other one there is the fridge. This one here is the fridge. This one is the TV socket. Like if you have TV sockets, you can in the house, or sockets in the house, you can just connect this line to it, and this line will automatically you can control all the sockets in your house from this line. That one, maybe you have connected it to the fridge, or yes, and then this other one to the ACs in your house. That then the switch there, you can still connect manual switches. It's not like everything you just remain remotely controlled, but you can still manually override anything. So now another main function here is the load management. So with this system, depending on the energy available in the system, let's see, if you look here, you see that what the energy available is 11.8 kilowatt. That's just 50% from the previous recharge that was available in the system. So what I can do here is let's say this energy is at 20%. You see that some of the loads in this house, they will automatically go off. But when they automatically go off, because the system is in auto, when they automatically go off, they will only come back on when energy is above that 20%. But now I can still override this auto that you are seeing here. That's just disappeared. This auto that you are seeing there to manual, so that I can turn on the loads if I actually need them. Then now this particular feature is good for energy saving. You understand? That means if you subscribe to like 20 kilowatts of energy, and you are left with, let me say, 5 kilowatts of energy, things like the fridges and the ACs, they will be automatically disconnected, that is switched off, to save you energy. But you can still override and put it on if you actually need them. But I think that one is good for that. And the meter calls you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send a command that will reduce the energy available in the meter right now to, let me say, to 18%. So at 18%, some of the loads will automatically go off. When these loads automatically go off, the meter will send an SMS to me and then call me, so that I can check my SMS to know the status of the meter, to know if I need to perform a recharge or it's just an overload in the system. So okay, you see we have 50% there. I'll send a command to put the energy at let me say 18%. Okay, let me do that here. So I have 50% here. Let me set it to 18%. Okay, set energy. This is a command. Set energy to 18%. Now enter my number, the meter number. Okay, see smart meter. I'll send. You see what will happen to the system. Some of the loads will just go off, and then the light will turn to red. I'll receive a call from the meter. You see, good. That's an SMS from the meter. See, it's telling me that what the energy is set to 18%. Now the system is still at auto, but some of the loads are off. I'll still receive another message now telling me the loads that are off from the system. Okay, that's the other message. See, critical energy 18%, that should recharge. You see the meter now is blinking red. 18% of energy. The meter now is blinking red. Now if you check in the system, you will see that the loads are off. Now the meter will also call me anytime from now. I'll receive a call from the meter. So let's just wait. I'll receive a call from the meter. I just put my phone there and navigate to boot control. You see, that's the meter calling me. You see, that's missed call from my meter. The meter will still call me still, so I can still let me say I can snooze this process for about 1 hour or an hour. So I can do it from the meter itself or sending a command. So also have a command list. We have a command list, so I will send the help command, which prompts out all the commands available in the system. Now you see only the lights and the fridge are given priority. The AC is off and the TV sockets are off. So see, that's still the meter calling. So I need to check. It means I need to check the SMS notification, and that's the SMS notification showing that the energy is critical. I should recharge. So let's just do the recharge command, and you see what will happen. Let me just recharge. Yeah, I'll recharge 1000. Let's see what will happen if I recharge 1000. 678004828. Okay, I'm sending the recharge command. You see what will happen. The loads will automatically come back on. Wait for the message to go through. Yeah, you can see that the system here is still is at auto, right? That means why the lights and the fridge is still showing on here is because the system is still in auto. You understand what I'm saying? Because if I recharge now, this light will come on because the system is in auto. If the system is in manual, this indication here will be showing off. So the SMS is still delaying, but before that the SMS is delaying. You can see. Good. You see, the system has been recharged. So I also receive an SMS telling me that the system has been recharged. Are you getting that? Now see, here's the SMS from the meter. I don't know. Okay, good. Recharge. Okay, 1000 francs for 20 kilowatt. New balance added to the previous one. That's the late status. Auto mode. Now let's try manual mode. For us to do manual mode, let's also check on the meter. You see, that's the energy. Now let's also try on the meter by doing the manual mode. Let me put the system in manual. Okay. Manual. Okay. Okay, the system has been sent to manual. I'll receive an SMS telling me that the system is in manual mode now. Good. You see, the system is in manual. Now all the loads are on. Now let's perform. Let me set the percentage to 18. Right. If I set the percentage to 18, these loads will not go off. Why? Because the system is in manual. I'm the one in charge now, it's not the meter in charge. Okay, let me do that. Sorry, percentage set. Then okay, good. Let me send it to the meter. This can work very well in your smartphone as well. It's just that since I wanted to use my phone to make the video, that's why, yeah, I've sent. Are you seeing the status they see showing that 24 kilowatt? It will change, and then you have a red light here blinking. Okay, that's the response from the meter. Are you seeing what it's saying? It's saying that the energy is set to 18%. Now the meter has a delay time response to perform the mathematics and then update the status. Just a bit. In a bit of time you will see the LED turning to red and blinking, then the buzzer to also be alarming, and I also receive a notification from the meter. Oh yeah, so let's see. Okay, you see the meter status now has changed. You are now getting the buzzing sound now, but if you check here, this one has not updated yet. That's because the system is still trying to send an SMS. When the SMS come now, it will change. Okay, that's the SMS. Giving us the meter status: critical, energy set to this, manual mode. If you look here, it is at manual mode, and you realize that this time around nothing went off, right? Nothing went off, but immediately if I turn on this system to automatic, some of the loads will go off. Are you seeing? Now the status of the meter now has been updated. The meter is telling me that critical level for energy, I should recharge. Are you seeing? We are at 18%. Now let me just turn the meter to automatic, to auto mode, and then we'll see what we have. Here, let's just explore this other feature. See, it's just showing the status of the meter and the power, the time you would have. Yeah, so back, system status, manual. I've switched it to auto. I will receive an SMS telling me that the system is in auto mode. Okay, see, here's the auto mode, system auto mode. You see the AC and the TV sockets are off. So I will also see now how to turn this system to manual mode. If I turn it back to manual mode, the AC and the TV socket will come on. Okay, let me see if the system is ready. Okay, there's still a little bit of delay. Let me wait a bit. Okay, I think the system is back now. Let me navigate and turn it back to, from here now, turn it back to automatic. Let me check that SMS. Just an SMS saying that the system is in auto mode. Yeah. Okay, let me turn it back to manual. Here, I just need to confirm from here. Manual mode. You see, everything is back as I said. Now, also receive an SMS here telling me the system is in manual mode. Just wait for it. Okay, good. Here's manual mode. You see, manual mode, and the AC and the TV sockets are on automatically. So I can still switch off, let me say, the TV or any load in the house. Let me see. Okay, let's do the help command. Let me send help so that we can see the commands available in the system, or the number. Okay. Oh, the meter is calling me, telling so that I should check the energy status. Okay, I've sent the meter. Sorry, I've sent the command. So I'm waiting for a response, for the help response. Help response will be coming in soon. Yeah, while waiting for the help response, yeah, I know some of you would like to see what is inside the meter, but for now I cannot show you what is inside the meter. Yeah, for now, yeah, we have the secured and everything making this to happen, but the SMS command, okay, is here. Okay, the commands are here. You are seeing smart meter commands. Recharge, that's an example. Set energy, set percentage, status, energy state, the usage. The PZM is to check the parameters. To verify, call me means you want to test if the calling function works. Snooze here means you want to snooze the sound and notifications from the meter there, as well as alerts. Then override means you want to switch the meter to manual or auto mode depending. Then lights off, lights on, fridge, buzzer off and on. You can still do the buzzing. This thing reset means the system should restart, right? So let's use the buzzer's function. Let's switch off the buzzer since it is making noise right now, if you can get it. So let me just type buzzer. Where's that Z? Okay, buzzer off. Sending it to the smart meter. The sound will disappear. Just wait. Good, that's it. The sound is off. I'll receive an SMS telling me the buzzer is off. You see, that's it in real time. Buzzer off, energy status, and the loads that are on. As simple as that. Okay, what else can I show you? Sorry, let's check the SMS commands together. Set energy, recharge, status, verify, call me. Basically that's it. Yeah, and then in the future we'll be doing upgrades, but for now here's what we have at the moment. Yeah, that's everything fully functional. Remember, you can control the lights still manually as normal. Even the AC in your house, everything can still be connected to the switch, on or off. So that's it. Thank you very much.